Are you feeling positive or negative in your life? And in this video, maybe negative might be a better thing. Let's get into it. So Grounding Well reached out, you guys. Actually, I reached out to Grounding Well, and you know what? In our health and wellness journey, I have gotten really into grounding. Yeah, and no, not about like getting ground in touch with myself, but sort of in touch with myself when it comes to the earth. And Grounding Well, the mat and the sheet, as you can see in the B-roll, have been a interesting add-on into the recovery that we need in our lives. Obviously, grounding is connecting yourself with the earth, and we're bringing this inside. And Grounding Well did a great job connecting the two. Yes, I'm gonna be using some puns, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the dad jokes, yeah. And the two products that we're gonna talk about are gonna be the mat and the sheet. Now, the grounding sheet, we'll start there, is a strip that's gonna go in the middle of your mattress over your sheets that you lay on. Now, one thing Grounding Well recommends, and I recommend as well, just as you're going outside and you're connecting your feet to the earth, it's good to go skin on skin. That's where I've noticed the most change, which we will talk about here in a minute. Now, the pros, the cons, and what we're getting out of this, at least myself. Now, I have been using both of these products, and one I've noticed as I sleep with the sheet, even though it does take me a while to fall asleep, that's just been a problematic thing that I've dealt with my entire life. The REM sleep that I have been achieving has been very, very different. I am a light sleeper. Any tick, noise, any movement will wake me up, even if it's from my partner. But I've noticed with this grounding sheet, I have been able to sleep through the night, let alone even when I wake up, or if I do maybe have to go to the bathroom, I fall right back to bed. Now, there are some proven benefits that they talk about in the brochure. Now, I don't know if I feel every single one of them, but I do definitely notice that my brain fog, my motivation, so my brain fog's down, my motivation is up. I actually feel a lot better. My skin feels better, surprisingly. And I think the biggest thing that I've noticed is definitely the REM sleep. And I do feel rejuvenated and a little more ambitious in my day-to-day activities. Now, the product's pretty simple to use. After going through that spiel, there's a connecting wire that goes to the mat or to the sheet, and you're gonna plug that into your negative part of your outlet. That is the bottom part. And if you guys don't know this, just a piece of tips for you guys, that ground that's in your plug actually goes and grounds into the earth. So if you go walk around your property, you might find a cable from your cable or your electrical box go into the ground, giving you that negative charge. So it's crazy that we can plug this in and get that feeling from the outside. Now, if you guys are into recovery and therapy, I think this is something that you guys might benefit from. So there's a list of things that can help. It might not hit every one of them, but give it a try. And this is from Grounding Well. And if you guys want, go to I think it's Grounding 20, get yourself a discount code and give it a shot. But we do want to say thank you to Grounding Well for giving us a shot. And we will continue to use this. And yeah, thank you very much. Like and subscribe.